Hey, good morning, guys. It's Kido Kamanzi. I'm a real estate agent in Edmonton from Sterling Real Estate. Today is September 13, 2017. It is about 10:30 in the morning. It has been raining since the morning. It's raining right now. It's gonna keep raining until the evening. And then I thought about you, my friend, and I said, okay, let me talk about the sump pump today. What is the sump pump? The sump pump, it is the pump which is located in your basement, and its job is to pump the water from your house to the city line. So to take away the water from your house to outside. So if that pump is not working, you may have a problem today. How to check if that pump is working? It's easy. The pump is connected to the wall by the electrical outlet to the pump. So that cable, you want to unplug that cable from the wall, and then that cable has a heading which is connected to cables. You want to unplug those two cables and take the cable which is connected directly from the pump to the wall, and you want to plug back that same cable, the one cable, you want to plug it back to the wall. And then you're gonna hear the pump pumping the water outside or making a little noise. That means the pump is okay, it's working properly, and that's great. If that pump is not working, you may have a problem today. How to change that pump? It's easy. You call a handyman or a plumber. They will cost you from $40 to $120. You buy another pump from Canadian Tire, Home Depot. It may cost you from $100, $120 to $400 depending on the brand. And then that guy will change it for you, and then you save today. If you still have any issue, any question, give me a call. My line is open all the time. It's 780-271-8545, 271-8545, and I'll be happy to talk to you. If you still have any other question about the housing market in Edmonton right now, you can give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you. If you need the evaluation of your house, I'll make it for you within an hour with no issues. So please give me a call if you still have any other question, and I'll be happy to talk to you. You have a great day. You have a fantastic day. You take care. Bye-bye.